Hello everyone and welcome to BlenderWorks. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make the typing effect in Blender using the animation nodes. It's really exciting, so let's get started. I will put the link to download the animation nodes for Blender in the description below. And if you go to Edit and Preferences, make sure to install the animation nodes add-on, just like this. So let's delete our default cube and add in a text and rotate it on x-axis. And if I expand this like this, and here we can see the animation nodes. So click on it and click on new. So first of all, we will add in the output. So for that, uh, click on add or enter Shift A and go to the text and click on object output. And now add in the object value as the text. And now let's add in the text. So for that, we will be adding in a trim node like this and attach the text value over here. And now I will enable the text like this, and in here I will enter the text which I need to have the typing effect on. So I will write BlenderWorks, and since the end is 5, we were seeing the just first 5 characters, but we don't want that. So we will be adding in an time info node. So go to animation and add in the time info node and attach the frame to the end. And now if we play this, you can see we have some typing effect kind of thing, but it's happening way too fast. So let's add in a delay. Go to the animation and click on delay. So currently the delay is at 10. So that means the typing effect will start from the 10th frame. If we increase this to 50, nothing will happen till the 50th frame. The effect will start taking place from the 51st frame. And now the effect is happening too fast. So for that, we will add in another node. Go to the number and click on math node. And instead of multiply, click on divide and maybe put the value to 4. So for every fourth frame, one character will be typed like this. And you can play with the values. Suppose if you put on 3, the effect will happen bit faster. So you can play with the math and delay settings like you want. And now, for example, if we want to have this typing effect on a large text, maybe a paragraph or an essay. So for that, what we can do is we can go to search and add in a text file reader like this. And we will connect this text to the value of the trim text over here. And in the path, you can browse the file where your paragraph or your essay has and just click on OK. So now if we play our animation, the characters which are present in the notepad or the document file will start typing over here. So this is a pretty cool technique. And this is how a typing effect works on Blender. If you guys want, I can make more videos on animation nodes. I used the typing effect while making the trailer video for the Among Us map like this. Make sure to check out the video where I made the Among Us map in Blender. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section below.